I'm meeting up with Chef Rob Pengson. He's known for his innovative take on traditional Filipino cuisine. He's received numerous awards and is one of the country's hottest young chefs.
Well, I want to make a tuna kinilaw for you. It's our version of ceviche, but I'm going to make it with my own version, my own take, making it fresher and giving it a little bit more taste of what the Philippines has to offer.
Ooh, this sounds appealing. Let's get right into it.
All right, so let's start by making the marinade for the tuna. Okay, so we're going to start out with 1 clove of garlic. I just want to rough chop it. It's just there to flavor the vinaigrette.
Okay.
And then we're going to get half a red onion.
I love the size of the onions
The
here.
flavor is also nice and very mild now. And then a little bit of red chili for some heat.
I'm learning that the smaller the chili, the more the heat.
Yeah. And then I am going to mix in our vinegar. So just regular white vinegar. A little bit of fish sauce. So the fish sauce is our salt, our seasoning. It gives that saltiness, but also that fragrant aroma. And then next, we're going to add something that is very unique to our country. It's the calamansi.
Oh, I love calamansi line.
It's a citrus fruit that we have.
Calamansi is in almost every dish in the Philippines, isn't it?
Yes. At the center of every table, there's calamansi, chili, soy sauce, and vinegar. And everyone can make their own dipping sauce. All right, so now that we got this done.
Let me smell that again.
Yeah. Nice and simple, refreshing. We're gonna get our good tuna. And then just dice it up all together.
Ah, big pieces.
Yeah, nice big pieces.
I was imagining a fine dice, but I like these chunks.
I like it chunky, well, also for plating. I don't want it to disappear with other ingredients. And then we mix this really quick. You wanna get your hands dirty a bit?
Sure, I'm happy to help.
Yeah, please. Just kindly put the tuna on the plate.
You can really see how, even in the matter of less than a minute, how while it's not cooking with heat, it's cooking the outside of the fish.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna make our vinaigrette. In goes our coconut cream.
So that would replace where a Western vinaigrette would have olive oil.
Yes. To season the dressing, fish sauce, and then we're gonna put just a little bit more calamansi.
More calamansi!
More calamansi. The aroma of the calamansi is just, it really, I mean, it's like a match made in heaven, the calamansi and the coconut milk. It just works so well. I'm just gonna pour it in the center and let it fall where it will. Next, we're gonna add cherry tomatoes. And then we have these little Japanese cucumbers.
That'll add a nice bit of crunch.
There you go. Then next, we're gonna go with this guy over here, our Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Yeah, it's...
What is this?
It's a herb that grows in Tagaytay.
Can I try one fresh?
Yeah, sure.
It reminds me almost of kale or cabbage.
Not only does it taste fresh, but it also looks fresh. There you have it. That's
Beautiful.
our tuna kinilaw with cherry tomatoes and cucumber. In the Philippines, we tend to eat with a spoon and a fork. So we invented these things. It's made from kamagong, our local hardwood. The aim is to create less dominance so that when you eat the food, it's the food that is the star and not the cutlery.
Well, let's dive right in.
All right, let's.
Oh, that is such a beautiful dish. I love how you've modernized this dish and added your own personality.